Hey guys, in this video, we're going to go over how to change Fidelity notification settings. First thing I want you to do is actually just go ahead and log in to your Fidelity account. And then what I want you to do is actually just go here to News and Research, click on Alerts, and from here you can choose Account Events and Services, right? And then you can go ahead and set up alerts, notifications. And if you have active alerts, you can change those as well. So we'll come here to alert setup and click on setup, select the alerts. So there we go, select those. And then you can go ahead and set it up. So let's say you send emails to your email address. You can update that as well. You can also go to your app, come to the top left, click on these three horizontal lines, come here, click on alerts, right? And then click on the plus icon and you can set up alerts for any ticker, right? So let's say this one, Coca-Cola, and you can choose what the trigger will be. Choose whatever you want. So there we go, date change, and what amounts you want it to trigger you, basically an alert. Okay, you can set those up, and then just go ahead and set it up. So Fidelity mobile applications, you set your alert, really that easy. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.